the cosine rule states that in any triangle, the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus twice the product of those two sides and multiplied by cos of the included angle, or cosine of the angle between the two sides. Okay, that sounds like a lot, but I promise you it's not difficult at all. So what we are saying is that this side squared, if I take a squared is the same as b squared. Okay, so it will be b squared plus c squared, this one squared, and then minus twice the product of b and c, and then this multiplied by cos of the included angle, or cos of the angle between side B and side C.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next